guys, Ariel with Arielpaints. Sorry if it's a little echoey. I need to get a new mic for my camera and for this new studio, and I just haven't bothered to get one yet. So I know some of my videos sound like I'm in a cave, but until I get a new mic, we're just gonna have to deal with it. So I hope you don't mind. So I posted a video the other day on my Instagram of me doing unicorn hair on Billy and one of her friends, and everybody freaked out. I got so many messages about this. A lot of you didn't know you could use face paint to color hair, and you had a lot of questions. So I thought I'd just make a video for you guys. First of all, face paint on hair is great. It's a wonderful alternative to painting faces right now. It's so easy. You can of course do one sponge per child, just like you would for a face. It's a lot softer. I have a little pink stripe here. It's a lot softer than those horrible sprays, and I always hated those aerosol sprays. We all have tons of face paint, so you have every color under the sun already. It is such an easy, wonderful thing to do. The rainbow cakes make amazing unicorn hair, really cool stripes. Billy can do it. She's done her own, and she did this stripe on me, which I'll show you guys. It also washes out perfectly. Billy has light blonde hair, and I did a really saturated fusion rainbow cake on her the other day with like a really dark pigmented blue. And she washed her hair herself that night and it came right out. So easy, quick, efficient, and a fun thing just to keep in mind. It's another one of those things you can add to your arsenal for if you've painted all the kids at the birthday party and you need one more thing to keep busy for 10-15 minutes. Quick stripes in someone's hair. If a little boy sits in your chair and they've got like a cool shaved head and they want some cool monster design, bring it back into the shaved head with your paintbrush or with a sponge and give them cool hair. You know, if somebody sits with spiky hair in your chair, you can just paint the tips with a sponge and face paint. Really fun thing to remember that this is something you can do. Great for Halloween. If you don't want to buy a wig, I have dyed my entire head of hair with green face paint before because I didn't want to buy a wig, and it washes right out. So I hope you guys will try it. I hope this is a helpful tip. Stay tuned, and I am going to show you guys Billy doing my hair. I'm going to do Billy's, and we're also going to do my mom's hair, so you guys get to meet my mom today. So stay tuned, and I will show you how I do it. So I'm just picking up the 3 colors that she wants, which were turquoise, right, Billy? Okay. And I want it to be a little bit more wet than normal. So wetter than you would on skin. On skin, you want it to be tacky. If you're going to do hair, you want it to be a little bit more wet so more comes off of the sponge. Right there, love? All right. And I'm just going to drag it on. Turn down in that way. There you go. What do you think? Is that what you wanted?
One more stripe, just different color.
Okay, what color?
I think it should be pink and white.
Pink and white. Okay. So I'm just going to flip the sponge and use the other side. This way, if you're doing this on the job, you're not using more than one sponge because you can still do one sponge per child. I'm just going to flip it to the other side and load up the pinks and give her another stripe. And if it seems dry, just add more water and do it again because you want a little bit of a wetter consistency so that it glides over the hair. All right, that looks good. Where do you want it? Right next to it? Yes? Okay, can you turn that way? All right, ready? Try to go in one direction too. You don't want to go back unless they have really short hair. There we go. You got stripes. You like it? Yeah? You give a
Time for
up?
you. I'm going to do Mommy's hair now.
Yay. So another thing, if you want to do stripes, don't load the corner side, load the middle, and then you can take a strip of hair. I'm not really going to do it, I'll let you do it, okay? And you wrap the sponge around the hair and pull down, and that way when you let go, you'll have a strip of color. So if you want to just add stripes into someone's hair or pink highlights, you can do that all the way around.
Can I do that too? Just not all
And
the way
that is
around,
what
just
Billy's
all
going
the
to
way
show
around?
you right now. Yes, you can.
All the way around?
No, not all the way around. You can do one stripe.
So we're going to do it on the curl.
On the front curl.
On the front curl.
Can we do it like, here, because they want to see, my mom's laughing. They want to see it on dark hair too, because everyone on Instagram was asking if it worked on dark hair. So can you do it right there? All right, pinch it around and then just pull. It's okay, take your time.
Oh.
And there you go. See? And now we have a pink stripe. It's kind of
Do
cute.
it one more time. Just to get it a little more pigmented. Hey.
No, it looks great. Thanks, Billy. I think that's plenty though. See? It's kind of cute, right? Okay, thank you. Stop! What are
I'm
you
blending
doing?
it.
I don't want it blended. I want it to look like a stripe.
It is.
It's cute. I like it.
Time
Thank
for
you.
Nanny's
Yeah.
hair.
So now here comes my mom. We're gonna do her hair because it's perfect color.
It's white. This is the stencil we're gonna use.
Do you want to say hi to everybody?
Hi, everybody.
This is my mom. So you definitely want to try to get it well loaded the first time because you don't want to be dipping back into your cakes if you can help it. And unlike when you're painting on skin, you want to see that foamy to wet look when you are doing hair. Because we don't want to go back into our cake after going on someone's hair, and we want it to glide over the hair. So you want it to be much wetter than if you were using it with a stencil or if you were about to do a butterfly on someone. So you just have to know how to use your paint. It takes practice, but you want the right consistency. You want to just go for the stencil? All right, we're gonna try a stencil. Someone said that it worked on Instagram, so we're gonna try it. So can you tip your head down, Mom? Yep. So I will hold it, and Billy's gonna.
Do you just dab it?
Yeah, kind of dab it, but drag it at the same time. That way you're getting some of the moisture out. Don't go over the stencil. Yep, right there. All right, stop. Let's see if this works. That kind of worked.
Now let's try doing it like this.
I think it would work if you had someone's hair slicked back really tightly, or if you're doing like the boys that have those shaved edges, or a lot of girls have the bottom shaved, then a stencil would definitely work. But if you've got any length to the hair, I think it's going to be a little bit difficult.
Okay, so do we try it over it like this?
Yeah, but see how her hair is moving in this direction? Don't go this direction, go that way.
Okay.
Because if you're going to fight the hair this way, and don't go back, just go one direction.
One.
Yep. And then swipe it. Good. Now if you want to go over it again, go back to this side, line it up, and then go back in the same direction. Good. All right, stop and take a look. What do you think, Mom?
I can't see it, but it looks what I can see.
Hold on,
Amazing.
I'll get you a mirror.
Oh, that's fun. Billy, you did a good job. Thank you.
Here, clean up your skin.
I like it.
I hope you guys liked this video and that you learned something. Thank you to my mom and Billy for being my models. And I hope you guys have a chance to try this out soon. Have fun with it, and I will see you in my next video. Cute.
I love my shiny.
I think that's enough.
No.